Izzha Mayzy Az-zahra Putri. I'm from 11 Sains 2. I will tell you about story The Wolf and the Crane. The Wolf and the Crane. One day, a hungry wolf found a big dead animal in the jungle. Wow, this will make what a wonderful meal. He at once jumped upon it and began eating hurriedly. The wolf went in such his while eating that the bone got stuck in his throat. The wolf tried hard to bring out the bone but failed miserably. The wolf even tried to swallow the bone to continue eating but did not succeed. Oh, oh. At last, he went to the crane that lived by the river. The wolf said to the crane, "A bone stuck into my throat while eating. Please extract it with the help of your long neck. Ah, will you please? I will pay you well." The crane agreed. He extracted the long bone from the wide open mouth. After accomplishing the bone successfully, the crane said to the wolf, "Now pay me for my service." The cunning wolf laughed. "Ha ha ha! Pay for your service? Paying you for allowing you to get out of my mouth. Never believe a wicked person promise." Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.